Rise and shine, everybody. It's Big Meals.
Small places.
And today I'm going to show you how to make unboiled, toasted, hard eggs. Do I look good?
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey everybody, if you're like me, you've obviously had hard-boiled eggs, but that's a real pain in the butt. You have to boil the water, you have to wait for the water to boil, then you have to put the eggs in, then you have to worry about the eggs cracking, then you have to watch it. Then some eggs aren't cooked properly, some eggs are overcooked. They're green, they're smelly, they're stinky. It smells like your grandfather came over and did something in his pants. Not anymore. How about if I told you you can throw your eggs right in the toaster oven and have them perfectly cooked? That's exactly what's gonna happen right now. Simply take your eggs, put them in your toaster oven. It could be 2, it could be 20, it doesn't matter. In the toaster oven at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. No more waiting for the boil, no more worrying about cracking. It's just literally done in 30 minutes at 325. You know what I love to do? When I'm making pancakes, when I'm making bacon, when I have a lot of things going on, the counter is full, just throw your eggs in the toaster oven, let them cook for 30 minutes. When the rest of your breakfast is done, simply open it up and your eggs are ready too. It's so easy, so convenient, and they'll be creamy and delicious. You won't believe how good they are. See you in 30 minutes. The hard toasted, not hard boiled, perfectly cooked egg in your toaster oven. Delicious. Delicious.